Happy Thursday, y'all. I am just mind blown today with the motions and the hearings and everything. Like, first, seeing Turtle Boy sitting next to Karen at the defense table for that first hearing in the different courtroom with the other judge. I don't remember his name, but I love how you knew real quick that Auntie Bev wasn't the judge there because Hanky Pank was crying when he saw the Dream Team walk in, and he was like, nope, Karen shouldn't be here. Why are they all here? The judge was like, this is about her. So yes, she's allowed to sit here go ahead, sit down. Like, dang, he tried to stop. Like, who do you think you are, Hanky Pank? But I love that judge shut it right down. Yeah, she has every right to be here. Like, about fucking time. Why can't we have this guy or any other judge for the overall Karen Reed case? Because this shit is mind-blowingly bullshit. I really can't stand Bev. The more I watch her, the more I hear the things she says. I'm just like, how was anybody allowing her to work? Honestly. But I mean, there was a lot to cover today, so I'm definitely going to do a live and talk about it. But let's get to the major portion today that blew my entire mind. How about when Auntie Bev is asking what the defense is going to be for Karen? And Yannetti throws out the banger that they're using third-party culprit and specified three individuals: Brian Alberts, Brian Higgins, and Colin Albert. And then, Hanky Pank crying, and, Auntie Bev didn't like they had to do a sidebar about it, which I want to know, like, what the fuck do you think they said in the sidebar? Like, what do you think they were discussing over there? Because he called them out specific, all three of them. Before, remember, first trial, they just said it was somebody else, and they weren't, they don't know exactly who, but these people are very suspect. Now, they came in with these three, which we all suspected. We all said it, right? I've been telling you, in the basement with them three. And Chloe. It's like a fucked up game of Clue. And we're almost there. And Auntie Bev says, she's talking about it, you need to have proof or something to show that these individuals would be involved. And that's when they called the sidebar. So I'm like, what does he have besides the knuckle thing for Colin? There's a bunch of shit, right? There's a bunch of shit that they could pull apart. Like how you dug up the concrete. Got rid of the dog. We could go on for days here. So I'm like sitting there like, did he just say that, y'all? Did he say that? We've been waiting for this moment. Oh, Jesus. We're coming for you, Brian Albert, Brian Higgins, and Colin Albert. Knew it! Okay, now, you already know Auntie Beth's going to have a problem with this. Something's going to go crazy. Someone's going to put a halt to this. But, like, literally, you want this freaking game to stop? Just seriously end it. Done. Throw this shit out. Throw this case out before you make a fool out of yourself, because it is crazy. We all know so much from the first round, and now we're learning more, and all the shit in between that, like, didn't come up the first trial, but now it's coming up. People are ready. And Alan Jackson and Yannetti, like, he had enough. Yannetti's starting to get feisty. We saw him snapping Auntie Bev today. If you didn't interrupt me, then I would have finished what I was about to say. I was like, the nicest one. You making him crack. Even the little feisty little today. I was like, ooh, they tired of you. I feel like they're all tired of each other. Like they all, like, are just annoyed with each other and just done. But this is Auntie Bev's fault because she could have done the right thing. But no, here we are listening to this bullshit again. They did deny, of course Auntie Bev did, but they wanted to push out the trial date at least like 3 weeks. And Bev said no. We got jury members coming in to be interviewed and have all these things already scheduled. So no. So April Fool's. Fucking joke. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, because I want to have a discussion, because this shit was wild for me.